Miss. Dead. Still missing. The quality is good. Oh shit. I think they're shooting from the other side, from the point. Right, let's check this side. Maybe he's on the second floor. Oh, I see you, bitch. I gotta push. I cannot shoot him from here. Seems clear. There's no smoke. Okay, we got smoke. But not from my place. I hate crossing the river. Oh shit. They got a machine gun. It's from the car. The main way. Got you, bitch. One down. Alright. Gotta check it clear. I see you. I think the machine gun is down. Okay. Woo! It's hard to see the enemy, you know that? Oh, shit. Alright. I lose the last round.
Oh, there's a lot
So
of
I'm
flies.
gonna use the machine gun. It's heavier. I think I need to camp more. This time we will defend the place. The gun requires from this game is very difficult to control if you're a new player. Okay, I gotta kill this car. Yeah, you see that? It's very hard to control. Holy shit! I'm gonna train in different guns. A better machine gun. This game you just lay down, don't let the enemy see you. Gotta get a spot and kill them. That's how I play this game with a newbie. Yeah, as a newbie.
Don't block, please, don't block.
Someone shooting from this place. I need to check that. Okay, I see you, bitch. Okay, has blow. It's pretty gore in this game. It's brutal. I love that. The blood. You see that? I think we need to get an RPG to take down the helicopter.
You dead.
Enemy helicopter. I think I can do it. I think I can do it. Miss. I'm not missing at the second one, bitch. Yeah! No. I need to get a spot. Hiding and camping. I hear the step. He's coming. Best place. They are smoking. They're gonna push harder this time. Oh, I miss him. Holy shit. We almost gonna lose this round. Okay, I need to train the weapon. They're gonna come in from here. Got one.